Hey everybody, Jim King, King Piers, back out here, Mission, Kansas. We've got a 4-step wall straightening process on the south wall. On the east wall here on the interior, we're going to install 3 King Piers on the underneath the footing, same as the back wall, and that'd be it. We should be done with this job close to the end of the week, maybe the first of next week. Stay with me. King Piers out here in Mission, Kansas. I believe we are the very best. If your foundation walls are leaning in, call me. I can save you some money and straighten that wall and keep it straight permanently. We do it all the time. Go to our YouTube channel, check out all of our videos. We're very good at this. The best in town, if not the best in the entire country. That's why we videotape everything we do. Out here, we're just starting to relieve the pressure off the back wall by digging down to the footing. That'll be today. Tomorrow, we'll go on the interior and do our interior setup. We'll run 6x6 sheet of wood support beams underneath the ceiling joists. The verticals coming up to a bottle jack to relieve that pressure off the top of the wall, and then we're ready to push the wall back vertical. So stay tuned. King Piers, Mission, Kansas, 816-521-8915. You can always catch us at our website, kingpiers.com. Thank you. Thanks, brother.